The square DQO retain clip, part number QOPR2, is specifically designed for use with 100 amp 2-pole circuit breakers within the square DQO series. Its primary function is to ensure that the breaker cannot be accidentally pulled out of the electrical panel. This is particularly important in applications where the breaker is being used to backfeed power into the panel, such as in solar or generator installations. Some electrical codes specifically require the use of a retaining clip when backfeeding power to enhance safety and prevent unintentional disconnection. The clip provides a secure connection between the breaker and the panel busbar, minimizing the risk of arcing or loose connections. It's crucial to understand that the QO retain clip is only compatible with square DQO series circuit breakers. Attempting to use it with other brands or series of breakers may result in improper fit and compromised safety. Installing the clip correctly is paramount to its proper functionality. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for the specific steps involved in installing the QO retain clip. These instructions will provide detailed guidance on how to attach the clip to the breaker and secure it within the panel. Failure to follow the instructions may lead to the clip not functioning as intended, potentially compromising the safety of the electrical system. The QO retain clip is a simple but effective device that contributes to a safer and more reliable electrical installation, especially when backfeeding power. Remember to always consult with a qualified electrician when working with electrical systems and to adhere to all applicable electrical codes and regulations.